and you're running a meta ads for generating leads for your wooden floor installation, but you're not able to generate leads. You're using meta lead form. So also you have optimized it many times. Budget is good too. Now, so when you say optimize, meaning you have optimized, meaning let's say, for example, you know that you have low CTR, you have optimized it. You have tested with new creative that probably bring your CTR from 0.5 to 1%. So those are the optimization that you have done. I don't understand. So basically, when you have been spending, when you say your budget is good, you have been spending money, but you're not able to get leads, there are many reasons. It could be the ad, or it could be the preferences, as in like if you have been using lead form, maybe because some clients don't do well with lead form because the audience in their country or in that industry do not like to submit a lead through a lead form. So you probably can consider testing and maybe other options like landing page, or you can even go by messenger or WhatsApp conversation, because it really depends on the preferences of the audience in where the market or the country that you're serving. So there are many reasons. Like I said, I will only be able to dive into your campaign to give you recommendations if I am given the opportunity to access to it. But then again, you can always go through my optimization videos, my training on my YouTube channel, and analyze it yourself and try to do some optimization on your own. But yeah, those are the few angles that I can give you. Like, you should try different method, right? Maybe lead form is not the best one. Go for landing page, go for messenger, go for WhatsApp, test one thing at a time, and eventually find out the best way. Or it could be the offer, right? The offer was not really good enough for the audience. That's why they are not clicking. So we need the numbers to know what's really going wrong here in order to find out the best way to optimize it. So if that's what you're looking for, I would actually recommend that you go for this way. Where is my QR code for Meta Ads review? Here you go. So this is the best way that I can dive into your campaign, analyze it with you over a Zoom call to tell you what's going on, what's right, or what's going on in your campaign. How do we rebuild this? What are the options you have in order to hopefully get leads for your business? So if that's what you're looking for, then scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.